Business visas is really one of the hot topics of the day in the global environment right now. Many people think if I'm only there for a few days, clearly I just need a business visa, it doesn't really matter what I'm doing, but that really couldn't be further from the truth. And in a global environment, you need to be mindful of the fact that the rules are different in every country. Some countries don't even have business visas. Anything, even if you're going for a business meeting, is a work permit. And that's difficult, particularly if you're coming from a U.S. environment where you basically know what the rules are and they're a little bit clearer. The implications can be quite great. There was an incident not that long ago with a couple of executives going to Japan to execute a contract. And they assumed, well, we'll only be there for 48 hours, so clearly we can just jump on a plane and enter as a business visitor and everything will be fine. But what ended up happening is the government, as they were analyzing the contract, determined that, in fact, a work permit was needed, and as a result, rendered the entire contract null and void. So the ramifications to business can really be quite tremendous if proper focus isn't paid to the issue. Because immigration is all we do around the world, we're in a unique opportunity to be able to invest all of our resources into the provision of immigration services to our clients. And that includes thinking about these very issues and how we can help clients solve them. So in a business visa context, we've come up with a number of different models depending on how companies are oriented, what they're looking to achieve, what their corporate culture is. So for example, we have a group of individuals who are specialists in business visa applications, and they're seated around the world. So they can provide a very high-touch model to organizations either across their program, or some organizations like to use that service for their senior executives to make sure that they get a real full-service hand-holding approach. We've also dedicated significant investment into developing proprietary technology to address this very issue, to look for efficient ways in which companies can determine whether or not a work permit or a business visa is needed and help them streamline their operations to get better control over the issue. I mean, really what they need to do is make sure they know what the rules are in whatever country they're traveling to. And depending on how a company is set up, certainly if it's a company that we represent, we would be there to provide that local expertise for them. But the first thing they should do is reach out and pick up the phone and call someone within their organization who can help them get that information and not just make a perhaps wrong assumption and go into the country and then find that in fact they're in a bit of trouble.